Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Diana, and I'm thrilled to bring you the second episode in our Daily Life English Vocabulary series. If you haven't checked out the first episode yet, it's already up in the playlist. We covered some really essential words like hello, thank you, and more. I've also got another playlist dedicated to common English phrases, so be sure to check that out too. I'll leave the links in the video description below. Today we're continuing our journey of learning English words that you can use in your everyday life. But this time, we're stepping it up a notch. Along with Spanish and French, I'm also going to include the Arabic, Portuguese, Chinese, and Japanese equivalents of each word. So whether you're learning English as a beginner or just brushing up on your skills, this series will be super helpful for you. Let's dive in and explore our next set of 5 daily life English words. Important. The first word today is important. We use this word to describe something that has significant value or impact. For example, it's important to stay hydrated throughout the day. In other languages, it will be as follows. Spanish, importante. French, important. Arabic, muhim.
Portuguese, importante.
Chinese, 重要. Japanese, 重要. Next word is remember. This is something we do when we don't forget things, like appointments, tasks, or memories. For example, please remember to bring your ID to the meeting. In other languages, it will be as follows.
Spanish, recordar.
French, se souvenir. Arabic, تذكر.
Portuguese, lembrar.
Chinese, 记得. Japanese, 覚える. Our third word is comfortable. We use this word to describe when something feels pleasant and relaxed, like a cozy chair or warm clothing. For example, this chair is very comfortable. I could sit here all day. In other languages, it will be as follows.
Spanish, cómodo.
French, comfortable. Arabic, مريح.
Portuguese, confortável.
Chinese, 舒服. Japanese, 快适. Next, we have the word expensive. We use this when talking about something that costs a lot of money. Example, this watch is expensive, but it's worth the price. In other languages, it will be as follows.
Spanish, caro.
French, cher. Arabic, غالي.
Portuguese, caro.
Chinese,贵. Japanese, 高い. Finally, let's talk about delicious. This word is perfect for describing food that tastes really good. Example, the chocolate cake was absolutely delicious. In other languages, it will be as follows.
Spanish, delicioso.
French, délicieux. Arabic, لذيذ.
Portuguese, delicioso.
Chinese, 美味. Japanese, 美味しい. And that's it for today's video. I hope these words are useful for you and that you start using them in your daily conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found the addition of Arabic, Portuguese, Chinese, and Japanese helpful, please let me know in the comments below. Also, feel free to suggest other languages you'd like me to include in future videos. Don't forget to check out the first video in this series and the playlist on common English phrases. Links are in the description. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next episode in this series. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.